Students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about the for loop in C language. Now, the for loop is used to iterate the statements or a part of a program in a several times. It is frequently used to traverse data like array and linked list. Now the syntax for the for loop is given by for expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Here the code to be executed comes. Now first of all we will discuss the properties of expression 1. Now properties of expression 1, it is also known as initialization. Now it represent init values, that is initialization values we can initialize more than one variable in expression 1. It means we can take more than one variable like I equal to 0, j equal to 5 dash dash. Now expression 1 is optional. Now let us take an example and see what is going to be done here. We have taken a void function, main function. Inside we have taken three variables a, b and c. Now we are using for loop, that is for a equal to 0, b equal to 12, c equal to 23, a is less than 2 and a plus plus. So here we have taken three variables, printf percentile d, a plus b plus c. So what is going to be printed here? Here we will get the answer 35 and 36. So these are the properties of expression 1. We can take more than one variable. We can initialize more than one variable. It represents init values. Now properties of expression 2, that is that we will use in the second part, that is use expression 2. Now it is a conditional expression. It checks a specific condition. If the condition satisfied, then the loop will be executed. Now in this we will have more than one condition. Now we can pass 0 or non-zero values in expression 2. Non-zero value is true and 0 is false by default. So let us see an example here. We have taken a main function. Inside the main function we have taken a variable I. We have taken a for loop I equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. Here this is the expression 2. We are printing the value of I percentile D I. So here we will get the output 1 0 1 2 3 4. Now the properties of expression 3. We have a for loop. So here we will use the expression 3. Now the expression 3 is used to update the loop variable. Now we can update more than one variable at same time. For example, for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So this is the update expression. It is updating the value of the variable used here, that is I equal to 0. Now these are the most important properties of expression 2 and expression 3. So the advantage of for loop is to use multiple expression. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.